There's a pretty new operator in Excel, hashtag, and I will show you what you can do with the hashtag operator in Excel. And I use it all the time, and hopefully it will help you as well. A couple of years ago, Excel released a couple of new dynamic array functions. For example, you have unique, you have sort, you have XLOOKUP, you have filter, and with the dynamic array function, you never know how many cells that the formula will spill into. For example, if we write the unique function to see all the unique berries in the B column, we will get 7 cells. But if we add a new berry, it will be 8. And the other dynamic array functions works the same way. You never know how many cells it will spill into. And the new hashtag operator is very useful when you work with dynamic array functions, because when you reference to a dynamic array function and then end the reference to the cell with an hashtag, that formula will also spill the same amount of cells. Let's say we write a reference to our cell here with our unique function, and then in the end we write hashtag. You'll see that the reference will spill the same amount of cells. If we press enter, you'll see that it spills into all of the cells. And you can use the SUMIFS function, an index match, or whatever you want to. Each time you reference to the dynamic array function, you can use this hashtag operator to spill all of the cells that the dynamic array function will return. Hopefully this can be useful for you to know in the future.